Welcome to Facts or Frauds.
Then, Your Honor, I think the last one we have here is the Fay matter. I don't see that Mr. Schuster appeared, and nor did Mr. Cottom. If the court would enter FTAs on those, I can have my office start calling out all the witnesses for trial week.
Yes, I will issue FTAs on both of those and strike the trial dates. And on Mr. Schuster,
I have no information for the court.
he was on Zoom the last hearing. Court found him in contempt. He's refused to sign for any documents at any point. We've had return of mail. I will issue a warrant. If Ms. McDonald, you can give me a certified address search.
Sure.
See what we can find on him.
Okay.
The Kennewick address has been coming back undeliverable.
And I think we have a no bail rec on him right now, right? Or a no bail warrant.
We do. And, you know, obviously with contempt, he has the opportunity to cure, but he's not apparently wanting to engage in a productive way. So we'll set this, that warrant will just remain outstanding. But if we can get an address search, we can kind of put a bow on it.
Now calling the matter of the People versus Reginald Tyrone Werthy. This is ticket SP 121800. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1348856. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while unlicensed. Ticket SP 1362290. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license. Sir, can you state your names for the record, please?
Reginald Tyrone Werthy, beneficiary.
All right. This is the date and time set in these particular matters. I believe for an arraignment on a bench warrant. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. How do you wish to proceed in these matters, sir?
Innocent.
Okay, so your options, you have the absolute right to have an attorney. You understand that, sir?
I'd like to represent myself.
That's fine. I'm just you have the absolute right to have an attorney. I'm just going to give you, I should have started off by saying this and I apologize. I'm going to give you some of the rights that you have just so I can make it clear on my record that you have these rights. You do not have to have an attorney unless I find that you're unable to proceed properly with the rest of the case. Then I can assign an attorney, but I'll allow you the opportunity to represent yourself. You understand that, sir?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. And the reason why you're afforded the opportunity to have an attorney, because these cases that I listed today are misdemeanors. And with misdemeanors come certain penalties, potential penalties. That's up to a $500 fine. And misdemeanors of the driving nature, some of them are 93 days and some of them are 90 days maximum in our Wayne County Jail. Do you understand that, Mr. Werthy? I apologize, Mr. Werthy.
No, I don't understand all that.
Okay, so the state legislator has decided that some of these cases will have penalties that could potentially put you into jail, and it's statute based. And it's at the court's discretion whether or not I can charge you a fine or I can sentence you to a term of jail in these particular matters. And because of that,
so
then your rights kick in.
Are you trying to contract with me? Are you trying to do a contract?
I'm not trying to do a contract with you. I'm stating what's called the law.
Well, motion to dismiss.
Okay, so that motion to dismiss is denied. So I'm giving you the law so that you can understand the options that you have today are going to be that you can request a pre-trial in these matters. You can request a bench trial in these matters, or you can request a jury trial in these matters. Those are the three options that we have. But I always like to make sure you understand the law and why certain rights kick in the way that they do. Okay.
Motion to dismiss.
All right, that's denied. I don't have a proper motion before me, and I don't just dismiss stuff because there's a motion to dismiss. Has to be a basis and a reason for me to dismiss a case, okay? So how would you like to proceed today, Mr. Worthy?
Motion to dismiss.
All right, if you don't participate in the hearing, I'm going to leave the cases in warrant status because I don't have anything further to do. I'm trying to give you some options here today. And the options are, you can ask for a pretrial, you can ask for a bench trial, or you can ask for a jury trial.
Okay, we'll have a jury trial.
Okay,
We'll have a jury trial.
all right. All right, so my next jury trial date is October the 14th. That's at 9:30 a.m. We have to have a final pretrial that Friday before though, because I have to make sure we're still going. So I'll set it for October 11th.
So you're not trying to contract with me, right?
No, I don't do contracts. I don't have the authority
Okay.
to do a contract. These are tickets. Okay, so we have a final pretrial. Just to make sure you still want to go on October 11th, that's via Zoom.
Yep.
The trial is in person though on October 14th at 9:30 a.m. in my courtroom, 337 at 36th District Court. Yes, you had a question?
And the injured party will be there?
The officers will be there. Yes, the officers who issued the tickets, they'll appear before court. Mhm.
Injured party, yes. That's the injured party, right? Okay.
Well, it's not an injured party. These are criminal matters, and that's why I always try and explain it. We don't have injured parties in criminal matters. We have a person who issued a ticket.
So he trying to contract then? That's the person trying to contract with me?
So these are tickets issued. These are not contracts. Contracts are when people sit down and they negotiate terms and conditions.
Well,
And
I
based
don't
on those
accept that
terms and
contract.
conditions, both parties come to a meeting in an agreement on something. This is just a violation, an alleged violation of one of our laws,
I don't accept that.
statutes in the city of Detroit that has been alleged that has been violated. So it's just been a ticket that's issued.
I don't agree with that.
You don't have to agree, but this is what the law is. Okay?
I don't agree
Okay.
to it. No problem.
Do you want the jury trial or no? You don't have to
Jury
agree
trial.
to it. Okay, so we're gonna have it on October 14th. Pre-trial is on October 11th. Okay, at 10 a.m. via Zoom. Like I said, the jury trial is in person though, on October 14th, okay? All right, if there's nothing further, your bond will continue. As of right now, I will allow you to represent yourself in these particular matters.
Now, I would like to know where could I need to know file a claim. I need to file a claim.
What kind of claim?
A claim against your agents.
You want to file a complaint against the police officers?
I want to file a claim. If they trying to contract with me, I want to.
So when
file a claim
you
too.
say claim, we don't have, this is criminal law. So they're not claims in criminal law, sir. That's civil. This is not civil. Okay? This is why this is criminal in nature, so they're not claims. That's why you have the opportunity to, yes, that's why I was trying to explain to you that as misdemeanors, there are rights that can be taken away, and that's why we encourage you to want to have counsel appointed or to find your own counsel, because then particular liberties are in question at that point in time, because of how the statutes are written in the city of Detroit and a lot of cities and states. So that's why we encourage you, because they're civil in nature, which means we can take away your ability to be in the community. So.
No. Okay. Like I said, I just need the injured party there, whoever trying to contract with me. So your officers are trying to hold a contract, and I like for them to be there.
Yeah, that's
But
what we do
like
that
you
for jury or bench trials, either one. The officers are required to come for tickets. Yes.
said, the injured party there, that's no problem.
So, Your Honor, for the record, DHQ Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. I came in the middle of this, so
He would like to have, Mr. Worthy would like to have a jury trial in these matters on my docket. They are at the bottom of page 1, underneath the 8:30 docket. We're scheduling for a jury trial on October 14th. They're all no insurance or drove while unlicensed tickets, type tickets, no license, unlicensed. All right, there's nothing further, sir. Bond will continue at $0. We'll see you for your final pretrial on October 11th via Zoom. I need to be able to see you too, but since you're coming in, I guess the phone is okay because I'm gonna have to physically see you on that day. All right, Mr. Worthy, bond will continue at $0 at this time.
Well, you gotta give them credit.
Why is that?
Well, they're gonna keep on doing it till they get it right.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. And if you'd like to become a member, click on join right next to subscribe or the link in the description. Now, if you're still hanging around, thank you. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.